Hey guys, what's good? Today I'm really excited because I finally got myself a new drone. I've been using an old Mavic Pro, the original Mavic Pro before they switched to the Hasselblad lens and sensor. So I got the DJI Air 2S. I am really excited to use it. It's got some really cool features. For today, we're just taking it out of the box, showing you what's in it, and then we're gonna fly it around and show you the test footage as well. And I'll take some test photos because I'll be using it for a lot of aerial photography as well. So first thing, right off the bat, we open it up and it's got the bag, the carrying case. The original Fly More combo also came with a cool little carrying case. If you didn't have a backpack, you could just bring this little guy, and this should be able to carry everything you need, plus your extra batteries and all that stuff. The remote, the drone itself, and the batteries, and then you can just fly anywhere. You can't fly anywhere. So right off the bat in the box, it was the bag and this guy, accessories. So in this accessories box, this looks like the ND filters. So this time around, they give you ND filters with the Fly More combo, which is really awesome. You don't have to go out and get third-party ones. They give you a 4, an 8, a 16, and a 32 ND. That's really exciting. The original Fly More combo, I had to purchase separately some ND filters. They give you extra props. I believe that, so I'm gonna need 4 of these out, probably 2 A's and 2 B's. 2 A's and 2 B's. And then they give you 4 extras of each. The first time I ever crashed my drone, it wasn't terrible. It was into a tree, but broke a few of the propellers, and it was really good that they gave you those extra ones because I could just pop them on, and they were with me at the time, so I didn't even have to stop flying. I just popped them on and kept going. I did break a leg on that drone when I flew it into the tree though, and that I did have to replace, but it could still fly without it. It just was a landing leg. I got a replacement part and fixed it myself. It wasn't that hard. USB-C. These are the little sticks right here for the controller. They probably just don't put them on for you right out of the box. Some more connection cables. It looks like that's it in the accessories. So I'm going to keep these props here, and then let's open it up. Are you excited? I'm excited. Can you tell? I'm excited. Probably can't tell. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at this thing. This is smaller than the original Mavic. I guess that makes sense. They're getting smaller. I almost got a DJI Mini, so I didn't have to register it, but I decided to go with this for the power of the video capability. So this is the protector for the lens. You can see I have some stickers that I got to pull off everywhere. They're all over the place. And now I have a drone that has a 1-inch sensor. And that's exciting. Got more stickers to peel off everywhere. There it is. Before I put the props on, let's go through the rest of this bag. Got the controller. Let's see. Battery charger. So the battery charger, it looks a little different than my old one. My old one was like a square, and you plugged in the batteries on every side of them. This is just, you plug in 3 batteries in a row, leave it on a charging table or wherever you charge your stuff. I generally like to have all my battery chargers like laid out. This is good because it lays out a little bit better. So I'm assuming this is extra batteries. So that's the benefit of getting the Fly More combo. Man, these batteries are smaller too, huh? The benefit of getting the Fly More combo is it comes with 2 extra batteries right out of the box. That way you can fly for a good amount of time. You're not limited to like your 30 minutes that you are on one battery. Max 30 minutes, depending on like the wind conditions and all that. There's an extra battery. This is the charging brick. What is that? Oh, you know what? This might be the charging adapter, so you can charge the remote or any USB device. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, that's what this is. So this cool little thing right here, so you plug this guy into one of your extra batteries, it becomes a USB charging station. That actually helps a lot, especially if your controller's like 20%, but you have plenty of battery left. You can just plug this into your controller and you're good to go. Your phone too, I guess. All right, so that's everything. I'm gonna put these props on. You guys want me to show you how to do that? Yeah, I'll do that, why not? I should probably read how to do that, huh? They're supposed to go opposite. This will just tell you how to set it up. Here we go. See that? Figure 3. B-A-A-B. All right. DJI really created a good system for these things. There's a spring loading thing right there. This guy has a locking mechanism. You basically just push this down into there. So you push down on the spring, turn it, and then you can feel it lock in, and that's it. So, and it even says that the A ones right here have a marking, and then the B's don't, so you can see the difference. Woo! It's exciting. All right, guys, I'm excited to fly this thing, so let's get out there and do it. It's sunset, and I just wanted to test a couple things out without the ND filter this time, so just gonna fly it over here. Man, this thing flies. It says it's in regular mode, cine mode. Wonder what happens if I'm in sport mode. Yo, that scared me a little. Alright, let's go back to cine mode. Oh, that's what. So it's turning. So you see how slow it's turning when you're in cine mode? It doesn't look jittery. If I go to sport, it's just like, nah. This is what I hate when I see drone shots and it moves like this in the middle of the shot. Like it's going nice and smooth and then it jumps. I hate that. It looks terrible. Yeah, cine mode gets rid of some of that. Alright, I'm just going to get a nice shot here. We're going to go up, take some photos of the sunset. So I'm going to go up a little higher. Get that right there. Now on the old on my old DJI, it had like a focus button I could press for it to focus. I just jumped out here and started playing with this thing, so I need to figure that out. I'm gonna get this shot actually in video because it looks nice. So I'm just gonna fly forward. Get this shot here. Ooh, look at that bird. That looked kind of nice. Flying across the water like that, huh? Let you guys see what's happening on this thing. When you do a pano shot, it just keeps the drone in one spot, and then it takes a bunch of pictures for you, and then it stitches them together in post. It does all the post processing and stitches them for you. As you can see, the light's getting too low. I'm gonna try to get up for a sunrise in the morning. It is my only day to sleep in, so I might not feel like it. We'll see. I might be able to get up and just grab a few shots, you know, some more test stuff. So for now, check out that sunset color. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and go out there and make something good. Peace.